I am not sure if I've ever worked on an application that didn't have at least some component that interacted with a relational database. Now later on we'll look at data storage that's not relational, but in most cases, at least within my experience, at least some, if not most or all of your data interaction is with a relational database. As such, of course, and Azure being a platform for developers, you're going to want to see a database platform within Azure. And there's actually a couple different ways you can do that, but we're going to focus on the Azure SQL database. We're going to talk about what this is, what the Azure SQL database does, what it provides for you, how you're going to create this and set it up and configure it. And then we'll get into how you interact with it. And if you are used to working with SQL Server, the good news is that your experience is going to pretty much translate one-to-one when you're working with an Azure SQL database. And you'll see that the tools that work with an on-premises version of SQL Server are going to work within Azure SQL database. We'll also take a look at some of the advanced capabilities and talk about the abilities, for example, for data recovery. What are some options there and what don't you have to do for disaster recovery, what's done automatically for you. And we'll also look at security and what are the options for securing data within an Azure SQL database.